Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our back. Hug your knees into your chest. Relax here. Let go of any tension that you might be feeling. You have the option to start flexing and pointing your feet. Lower your legs to the left for a stacked supine twist as you open your arms.
And the days we used to share, it's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know.
Switch sides.
I know you got another life, you gotta concentrate, baby. Come back to me. Can you hear me calling for you? 'Cause something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't
Come back to center and straighten your legs onto the bed. As you pull your right knee into your chest. Guide your right knee across your body for your supine twist, and your right arm can just relax out to the side.
I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My heart brought my rocket low.
Come back to center and straighten your right leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind your right hamstring. Flex your right foot. And you can gently pull on the leg and then release it down onto your bed as you hug your left knee into your chest. Supine twist, guide that left knee across your body.
was like, this is what I think. I'm ushering a rain for you. You know you're always number one. You was like, this is what I sing.
Return back to center as you straighten that left leg, flexing the foot, grabbing behind the leg. Give it a gentle pull. And lower it down onto the bed. Now let's bend our knees, planting our feet on the bed, and then bringing that right ankle on top of the left knee for a figure 4. You have the option to lift your legs, grabbing behind your left hamstring or in front of your left knee. Lower your legs and let's make our way into our figure 4 on the other side. So you just put that left ankle on top of the right knee this time. Release your figure 4 as you uncross your legs and then hug your knees into your chest. Extend your legs up towards the ceiling as you grab behind your legs, pulling them closer towards you. Maybe the legs come down to the face. Lower your feet down, rolling onto your left side for the fetal position. Start to push yourself up into a seated position. Let's come into a cross-legged position, interlacing our fingers and pressing our palms forward. Reach your arms up as you arch your back. And now round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest, press the palms forward. Let's do that a couple more times at your own pace. And on this last time, we just tuck our chin in towards our chest, coming into a forward fold, lowering the hands, relaxing the upper body. Slowly rise back up, and let's lean our body over to the right, and now forward, and to the left, and then back. Really round your spine. Let's do that body circle one more time. And now you switch directions. Relax your upper body as you bring your legs into a butterfly position with the soles of the feet touching, and then forward fold, walking your hands forward. Rise back up as you straighten your legs out in front of you, and another forward fold. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Round your spine as you tuck your chin in towards your chest for cat pose. And now arch your back, looking up for cow pose. Let's do that a few more times. Come back into a neutral tabletop as you walk your hands forward, lowering your chest for puppy dog pose. Sit your hips back on your heels for child's pose. Resting here, taking some deep breaths. Take a big inhale in through your nose. Let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.